Hi, so welcome to the next module, and for this module we're going to talk about social media management and its roles. So basically, ano ba talaga ang role ng social media management sa isang business? So why do we need social media management? Why do we need a social media manager? Bakit tayo kailangan ng clients? What do we do? Ano bang silbi natin sa mga clients natin? Simple lang siya, guys. Isipin nyo, everybody is in social media. Pati mga gores, yung mga matatanda, yung magre-retire na, yung mga bata, they're on social media, they're on TikTok, they're on Facebook, they're on Instagram, even yung mga nasa 6 years old pa, diba? If you noticed, ang aga-aga nilang nagkaroon ng phone. And, naalala ko dati, I had my first phone when I was siguro 12, 13. So, sila ngayon, 6 years old, 7 years old pa lang, may phones na, connected na sa internet. They already know how to navigate social media platforms like Facebook and TikTok, lalo na yung TikTok. Yun yung patok talaga ngayon sa kids. If you handle toy accounts, or like brands na target yung mga bata, and yung mga mommies, you know what platform to use, and that's TikTok. Kasi they're all over TikTok talaga yung mga bata ngayon. My cousin buys everything she sees on TikTok. So, ito yung role ng social media sa businesses natin. It gives the business the brand presence na parang, we exist. So, for example, you're aiming for kids. So, isipin nyo, ano kayang social media platform ang usually ginagamit ng kids? So, that's TikTok. Ano kaya usually yung mga ginagamit ng mga bloggers? Ano yung platforms na masyado nilang ginagamit? So, that's kind of Instagram. If you also want to target professional CEOs and stuff, you can use LinkedIn. So, iba-iba siya. That's the role of social media sa businesses natin and sa clients natin. And here's one quote that I really like. It's from Bill Gates. Sabi niya, if your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of business. So basically, like I said, we are already in the digital era. Lalo na sa pandemic, everything's online, order ka online. Lahat talaga kasi limited na yung face-to-face. Even the classes, di ba, online na lahat. So, we have to take advantage of social media kasi social media is where people usually spend their time with. So, if you notice, lalo na yung nagka-pandemic and we had to stay home, we had to parang magka-quarantine tayo, we had nothing else but our phones, and we use social media platforms like Facebook. It's our way to connect kasi of course hindi tayo makakapag-hug kasi social distancing. We cannot greet each other, we cannot meet our friends. So yung way ng pag-meet natin sa friends natin is through social media kasi alam nga naman mag-e-email, 'di ba? So that's what I always want to say, that social media is a very powerful thing if you use it correctly. So just like us, when we use Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms, we use it to connect people, to connect to people. Same lang din siya sa businesses natin. We use it to connect to our target customers. Yun nga lang is, isipin nyo lang na on our Facebook accounts, syempre, yung i-add lang natin is yung mga kilala natin, or the ones that we like, yung i-follow natin na pages or i-like na pages, yung mga favorite singers natin. So, ganun din sa business. Yung i-follow natin, well, not technically follow, but we target those people na target audience ng business natin. So, let's not make it complicated. The thing is, every business needs a social media presence because social media presence is a very powerful presence because everybody is on social media. So if you have a business and you invest on social media presence, you are already there. So you are already putting your product in front of many people. So yung gagawin mo na lang is to grow your presence. That is why social media management is needed. Kasi imagine, pupunta ka or you will open a business, 'di ba? pupunta ka ng DTI, pupunta ka ng BIR to register your business. Pero, anong gagawin mo kung magre-register ka lang, pero di mo tinuloy yung pagbebenta, hindi ka nagpo-promote? So, who knows about your business? So, ikaw lang, and the DTI, and the BIR, di ba? So, just like in social media, i-register mo siya, like creating a page or creating an account, and then, of course, promote. And that's where social media managers come in. So, yung social media managers or tayo yung nag-grow ng brand presence ng isang business. So, before I end this video, isi-share ko lang din na a lot of students ask me, Katch, ba't kailangan ko mag-learn ng social media management or marketing? Bakit kailangan ko magkaroon ng branding kung yung offer or yung services na i-offer ko is bookkeeping? Like I said, every business needs a social media presence. So, kahit mag-offer ka pa dyan ng bookkeeping, accounting, web design, if you don't have social media presence, it will never work. Or, magiging mano-mano yung pagka-client hunt mo. So, yun yung sinabi ko na social media presence. So, kahit bookkeeping pa yan, kahit gaano ka kalayo pa yan, kahit graphic design lang yung ino-offer mo, if you have a business, if you have a freelancing career, you need to have social media presence. And that's what we will learn in the next videos. See you!